Today we've got a 2-minute review of some PCBs from PCBWay. Okay, if somehow you're not familiar already, PCBWay is a Chinese board supplier where you can just upload your Gerber files for any custom PCB and get them fabricated really quickly and very cheaply. So this is the box they came in. That's pretty underwhelming. Yeah, this is a sample kit that they just sent out of various boards. I did not design these because I told them I didn't need any right now. So they're just kind of thrown together. I hope that their custom made ones you order don't come that way. Let's take a look. So these look like some various production runs of different ones that people have shared open source. We have a nice green one here. These are pretty standard. This is an example of a board that just about anybody could easily create. It's got some through-hole components and pretty straightforward. That's just a repeat of it. This is a cool looking one. Round form factor, SMD components, silk screening looks magnificent. Board looks great. Yeah, that looks wonderful. I'd be happy with that if that was my board. Very cool. This is something else that you don't often think of. You can make yourself your own perf boards. Custom perf boards that work for your application or just standard perf boards. But you see how the silk screening, we've got each of the rows and the columns labeled. And yeah, handy dandy. That's a really handy board. I'll use that. Actually, here's some more. Let's see what else we got. These black ones, again, kind of the same idea. Oh, it's like 2 by 8 centimeters. I'm trying to read through the camera here. That's a wonderful little handy perf board to make your own projects. So anytime that you're ordering, if you're panelizing, you could tack on a few of these. And if you go to the website, I'm pretty sure you could download these or just do a search for Gerber files for perf board on Google, just file type. Forget what the Gerber letters are. I'll put it on the screen. Here's a nice one with some cutouts. That is impressive. That is for some isolation of some higher voltage components by the looks of it. And the routing on that looks great. The actual router bits, that's done with like a CNC, I would imagine. And that just looks perfect. I would be really happy with these boards, other than the way they were shipped. Not so bueno, but that would do. I'd be quite content with these. For a 2-minute review, I definitely think I'll try ordering some.